bye-bye, Nanay. Say bye-bye.
Bye, Nanay. Love you, Nanay. Good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Today is Shiloh. Day 25.
Mom, day 25.
At the CDC
Mommy, why I'm
journey.
I'm day 25.
Yeah, day 25.
Why I'm day 25?
Day 25. For your CDC journey. Including the homework.
Mommy,
assignment.
why I'm 5?
25 all 25 days like that.
Jump,
Be careful, slippery. Every day na nag-ulan di ani. Unang lapok. Ayo.
It's just raining.
Di ani raman ang lapok kanang pagawas bitaw. Ni. Silohan po. Tubig oh. Ay tubig. Unang ginakugos na ko sa Shiloh. Here is already concrete. Concrete na ni. Bilang sa school ni Shiloh. Di ani raman papasok mo eh. Anang lapok. Titi, where are we going now? Titi, be careful ha. There's a car there ha. Okay? You enjoy ha. Have fun, okay?
I like this also, okay?
I brought a strawberry sandwich for you.
Huh? I want to eat first. I want to eat. I'm very hungry.
Okay.
Sandwich I want.
Okay.
One.
Have to say good morning to teacher, okay? Dahil wala pa mo salod sa school kay mukaon sa daw siya daan. Mani siya ganahan kung kayo mamamaw kanang sayo lang itong pagmata din. Luli uy. Good morning. Good morning.
There, get some fine products. How do I get out of here? What if I never get out of here?
Scared, she walked
Wait, we're gonna
ahead
sit
and
here.
saw a three-legged glass table.
Wow! This is the most beautiful garden I have ever seen. Oh, I wish I could roll down this little door.
What?
Recess time. Biscuit. Wala sila nagluto ron. Biscuit ng recess. Tapos, nagdala man ko og strawberry sandwich for Shiloh.
No, Mommy, allowed.
Then, you show them your activities. Vegetable. Shiloh got 1 star. Even 1 star in hand. You didn't put the color properly.
No, no. Okay, so sister.
Strawberry sandwich? Strawberry sandwich?
Good. Open more.
Biscuit.
Good.
One, two, three. Sige na, knock. 4, 5, 6. Pili magtugtog. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, teacher. Okay. Ay, thank you. Ay, Shiloh. Thank you. Give. Thank you. Wow, happy face. Yes, happy face.
Ay, dali ka na mo agad.
Good job. My love. Na, ilang sa kumutabag si Lihigron. Nanay, oh, hula. Ate, there's a motorbike there. Oh, happy face daw. Happy face.
Oh, dala.
Mana klase ni Shiloh. Uy, sige na. How's your school? Kitty, how's your school? I'm asking how's your school? How's your school?
Mag-ugo kay kuan man o uga.
Where is Shiloh?
Puti kinagadagan na kuan o.
Dali.
Dagan.
Oh yeah. How's your school, my love? Good. I heard you're screaming inside. What happened? Because what?
Usa pa na. Karing.
Hmm.
Naman na mo tambe doy.
We are going home now, Shiloh. How's your school, my love?
Good.
Good.
Bantay o alapok.
Tantay tae. Kani ramang pasulod sa bahay mo ilapok katong kuan dito di na. Kusog kaayong ulan gabi gyud. Kuyawan gud Shiloh. What did you say, my love?
Somebody beat me at the school. I tell teacher, mommy, I tell.
Why you beat or she or he? Girl or boy?
Girl,
Why?
I don't know why he beat me.
You have to tell not don't beat me. That is not good. Okay?
It's not, that was not your attitude.
Yeah.
Not your attitude.
Mm.
Hmm?
Yeah.
His attitude, he is pushing me and beating me.
Oh, so bad. Then how about you? What you did?
I beat us.
Not is not good. Not beating. Okay? You have to say because Jesus watching, you know. You enjoy?
Yeah, my training.
Okay, you can walk now. Can walk. Nami balay. Sana pa dong akong bata.
At kung siya dito, skill